know what that means.
Wednesday.
No, it means it's the start of a new week. Get your life together. Anyways, I'm in the kitchen with my mom, you know, reppin' UNLV.
Party.
This one.
Chicken.
Okay, anyways, my mom's being OCD and making packets for the summer for Markel while listening to a podcast. I am about to cook dinner. I finally know how to use the time lapse on here, so that's great. After I don't know how many years of having this camera, enjoy this montage of cooking dinner. That's probably gonna take me way longer than it should.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge.
Mom, come show them your cereal. Come display your cereal.
He sprayed me with the boner. Sir, our very proud creation
Of all of you.
cereal, Frosted Flakes, Rice Chex, Lucky Charms, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It'll probably be gone by Saturday morning.
How you gonna give out the name and you ain't getting a check from them? Cereal.
I don't think they give sponsorships.
They gotta come send the check now.
I don't think it works like that.
This is for our cereal consuming household.
Shit, it will always work.
Are you count? God damn it, where's the spoon?
Alright, turning off the camera. Alright, well, we're here. Myself, Marquise. So hello. Anyways, you're annoying. There's Miley and my mom you can't see. But Marquise has been dying to do face masks.
No, you
So no, stop.
You kept on telling me
you
that
still
you
want
were
to
gonna
do
do it,
it.
you
You
never
still
do
want to
it.
do it. You still want to do it. Begging. Anyways.
You never did that.
Anyways. So enjoy this montage of us taking care of our skin because
That's what we do.
it's important, you know. A little bonding moment. Clearly nobody else wants to do it, but hey.
What's your basket?
Bless you.
No, this one is yours.
I woke up early in the morning just to feel the light of day. Had to open up my window, get the shadows out my way. Banana pancakes for my problems, find me jamming old Jack Johnson. Swear I heard them angel calls, lay outside as heaven falls.
It's been a great night. We had a great dinner that was really filling. Matt filled everybody up, no leftovers. We did family skincare because, you know, skincare is the key to everything. And now I'm just making myself some tea because I'm just gonna get in the bed, wind up for tomorrow. And I'm off tomorrow, so I don't have to wake up. So I'm so excited. It's gonna be a great day. And we get to see Mr. Porter tomorrow, so that should be fun. So I'm just so excited, guys. Just doing skincare just makes me self-care Sunday. It's just so important to me. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
The SUV, like they had a floor on that shit. That's like
What? No, Mark said what? I didn't say anything. Meal number 1. Meal number 2. Meal number 3.
Not my jaw.
So, Mom, how do you feel about HelloFresh? What's your review since you've had it for like the past year and a half?
I love HelloFresh. It's been a half a year. What a year and a half.
Oh, that's what I meant.
You picked this or I picked this?
I don't know because I don't think I would have picked the chili.
Mark Anthony picked this time.
what?
The chili.
When I picked this shit?
I don't know. We have creamy dill chicken, pork,
We like the dill chicken.
whole fiesta bowls, and then the 1 pot beef and black bean chili.
He picked that. And I think that's because it was cold.
Why? Oh, because it's cold outside. Oh, I was like, what do you mean it's cold?
It's not cold anymore.
It's definitely hot. But yeah. I need to find the other 2 recipes for the 2 that are still in there.
Check
Go fish.
Goldfish. Peaches.
I woke up early in the morning just to feel the light of day. Had to open up my window, get the shadows out my way. Banana pancakes for my problems, find me jamming old Jack Johnson. Swear I heard them angel calls, lay outside as heavy.
Well, we cleaned my room. That was a task, but you know, it's fine, it's done, it's whatever. But now I'm gonna cook dinner. It's 4 o'clock, but I'm gonna cook dinner, take a shower, because Mr. Porter is done getting off as late as he thought he was. So I'm gonna drive up there. But yeah, I'm gonna hurry up and cook dinner so dinner can be done. So I'm gonna make my way over there. So enjoy this montage of me cooking dinner. Then I will probably see you guys after I get out of the shower and I'm on my way to go see him. All right, I'm so happy because I didn't do what I said I was gonna do, but I've been sitting here and I've been like trying to like do stuff for my computer, like import videos and all that type of stuff, and I finally got in my groove and my jam, and I finally cleared out this SD card. So now I have so much more, because the one that I did have a lot of storage on, it's cracked, so it's like gonna give out any minute. But now this one has so much storage and I'm just so happy, and I'm just, wow, the vlogs are just gonna be great because now I can just record as much as I want without it's just a good time. But yes, now we're going to really go downstairs and cook dinner before somebody gets mad at me for not being up there, because I definitely still have to drive an hour and a half away, but it's fine, it's good. I'm in a good mood, it's a great time.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best.
I just wanted to say that I am on my way to his house, so this battery's gonna die, but enjoy this montage of this drive, because I don't know, it's just a really peaceful drive to me, so.
Hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it.
Don't wipe it off now. Get in your lane! He has toothpaste on his face. You know, we take care of our skin out here. I met his mom today.
She met the fan.
Probably the most intimidating moment of my life, I'd have to say. I've never met someone who intimidates me so much. I've never met someone for them to be like, oh, what did she say?
Honestly, she hit you with like 9 different questions.
She hit me with like so many questions, like back to back to back, and it was the most intimidating. Like, I knew she was gonna ask me questions, because you know, like that's what they do. You know, usually when there's a question, there's like, all right, like we're gonna talk a little thoroughly about the question. It was just like, no, like back to back, question after question, just like, oh, where are you from? Oh, is that your car? Oh, what do you do? Where do you work? Just like back to back. And it was just so intimidating. That was a very scary situation that I was not, like, I already knew that I wasn't prepared, but that just showed me, like, I was just so nervous. I literally got out of the car and forgot to roll up the window. Like, I don't know. It was just real bad.
She got through it though. That was really good. I mean, honestly, you're the first girl that I brought over in 5 years. And the last girl I brought over, like, she was just like a day to the dance. That's literally it. Because I know how my mom is. Literally how I knew this would happen, where she would hit her with like 12 different questions and not bat an eye. She literally did not look up from making her food. She's
cutting mangoes and like did not look me in my face that whole entire time. Meeting his dad, like, it's just like, oh, hey. And then like when Nick came out, like, he just gave me a hug, and like that was that. Nick's his brother, and I was just like, you know. But his mom, oh, most intimidating thing I've ever experienced. And I've literally had an English teacher look me in my face and tell me that he's not afraid of failing students. Like, and I just really can't tell if she likes me or not. I don't think she likes me, Probably because like of how late I came over, and I feel like that's not a good impression, and I knew that wasn't a good impression because of the comment that she made when I left.
Oh yeah.
So I don't know. She probably thinks
she's real forward with everything. Right?
She probably thinks I'm like some raunchy little girl, because like when I first got there, she was like, "Oh, do your parents know that you're here?" And I was like, "Yeah." I mean, like my mom and Mark know.
Honestly, me and my dad, like when she started asking those questions, me and my dad were like, "Oh, here we go." I mean, I'll stop. But me and my dad were kind of just sitting there like, "Oh man, like she's going off again. Like, here we go." Honestly, I think that was good. Not gonna lie, it's better I've seen in a long time, because the way she did that one like day to the dance, that was the most cold-hearted shit.
What do you mean? What did she do to her?
I'm not even gonna tell you.
Why?
Because that right there, I was just like, wow.
You told me off camera?
Maybe.
Are you gonna take a picture together? So I could blow it up and put it.
No! I'm playing.
Stop petting me like I'm a dog. God, he was doing that to me in the backyard. Also, we had to sit in the backyard because it's not traditional. She don't play that mess. Our parents are just so different.
Relatively. Kind of the same. Kind of not actually. No, take it back.
No, my mom was very, like, you tried to shake my mom's hand and she said,
was like, what the f***? And then, like hugged me. I was like, this is not what I expected. This is mom? This is what moms do?
I honestly expected my family to be way worse. You meeting my family to be worse than me meeting your family because I'm the girl.
I'm brown skin, right? I'm not.
It doesn't matter. Would it matter if you were darker?
No, I'm just saying.
Okay then. Stop being colorist. We support all of our brown, no matter what shade.
Says the person who wants a White House. Racist.
I literally want white countertops when we move in together to our actual house.
Pause. You said a whole White House.
I did not say that.
Yes,
I said a white kitchen.
I can send you a White House. Wait, no. You sent me a White House. You sent me a White House. I said, I want a black house.
I only sent you the kitchen. That's the only part that I was showing. First of all, it was a tweet. It's not like I sent him an actual house. It was literally a tweet. So obviously there's no way that we're getting that house. And second of all, it was in Tampa. We don't even want to live there.
Why the hell was it in Tampa?
It was a tweet. I was showing you the house. That was all I was showing you was the house.
Tampa. There's alligators and
Anyways, I just want a nice white kitchen. You're not going to be cooking in it anyway.
What you mean? I cook better than you.
No. Okay. Don't disrespect me. Shut up. Just shut up. Stop trying to flex your tattoo.
I'm all for, a nice house, but realize I want a darker house, right? Not a fucking black house, because that's weird. But a darker house because, you know what I'm saying, power to the people. I'm really all for it, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, you're being like fake woke. Like, oh my god, I want a white house because, like, I need a brown house because, I'm woke. Get out of here with that. What is wrong with you? There's nothing wrong.
When my glasses are on, I'm woke. Facts. You see my eye difference?
I'm trying to cry. I'm going home.
No. Killer! Okay, I'm not gonna talk about that because
Let me just...
Oh yeah, a locked window's going to stop a man coming over with a bat, like, oh yeah, just
don't stop your
boom!
Really scaring me now.
Oh, you scared? Think about what
What if our death was on the camera? Stop. What'd you say that for?
Damn. Hey, real talk, last vlog.
Okay, like serious talk, what are we doing for the 4th?
I told you, my brother's birthday.
I know. Jesse?
Yeah, his birthday is in January 2nd. It's really easy.
The 2nd?
Yeah. All my family's birthdays are hella easy to remember. My dad's right next to Valentine's Day. My mom's Christmas. My brother...
Oh, her birthday's on Christmas?
Yes.
Oh my god.
My grandma, who passed away, was on Christmas. Her mom. What do you want to do?
I'm gonna get flayed up for your birthday.
What do you want to do?
It's your birthday.
Not really good. It's my 22nd birthday. Like, I was already did my 21st. It was shit. It's literally it. I'm only waiting for my 25th birthday so I can rent a car.
You know how hard it is editing?
No, it's not.
With
It's literally
you?
every frame. Oh, yeah. Right. All you have to do is cut out the frames. Also, we need to work on your frame transition because I was looking at that one video and then you were cutting like stuff and it was just like weird. Like it would like transition to cut and then you're just like, oh shit. Oh damn, I'm watching a whole different like conversation. What? We'll work on it though. Honestly, I was
even edit.
I don't edit.
Don't ever disrespect my editing. Get out of here. Take me home.
I'm smart.
Take me home.
I'm smart though.
No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't get away from me. Get away from me. Ew, why are you holding my head like that?
So it's stable. Cause you baby.
You baby.
Yeah.
You little
Oh my god.
bunny. Guys, there was a bunny in his backyard and it was the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Anyways, so hey, if you're watching this, she probably won't edit it in time. But
Stop clocking me.
if you're watching this, you hit me up at Bay Robbie, 2 B's. I think 1 eye. Wait, never mind. I don't remember. But on IG because I'm lit like a glow stick. Why did you keep that on?
Oh. What do you mean why didn't I keep that on?
What?
Oh. It's not funny. We literally just had this conversation.
Yeah, no. Don't worry.
Hello, back looking crusty as ever. Went to work today, been in the bed pretty much all day. Now I'm editing, so I guess I can just do a little montage because clearly that's what this whole week is about, is me being productive and cleaning and being responsible and doing responsibilities. Enjoy.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that little montage. I've gotten a lot done, surprisingly, but now it's time to go cook dinner. HelloFresh, the 3rd night in a row. Very proud of us. Enjoy the second montage of today. I don't know what montage this is of this whole week, but I know I just found a new feature and I'm just really digging it. I'm sorry if you guys are annoyed with it, but I really like it. So, hi. Hello, baby. We are going downstairs to cook HelloFresh. She is, of course, with her Minnie Mouse, who's behind me, Markel. And we're gonna have a grand time. You wanna eat some snacks while we're cooking? You wanna eat some snacks?
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it.
You like crust? What's new? Yep. Hope you guys enjoyed today. See you guys. You'll see me in 3 seconds. I'll see you guys tomorrow, either before or after I take a nap from work. But I'm like wide awake. It's definitely 11:35. I definitely have work at 3:45. Love that for myself. Good afternoon. Definitely not the morning. It is Thursday. I went to work only for 4 hours today, so that was lit. Came home, took a nap like I said I would, because I always do. Woke up, edited the 2nd week of summer. They're not uploaded, so like that's irrelevant, but still, at least it's edited and it's exporting right now. And now I think I'm gonna eat some leftovers and then get to painting. Well, I taped off like part of this yesterday, and I need Mark to come tape off the top part because short girl problems. Yeah, I just need to tape off that side, and then we're painting it over with this super freaking cool chalkboard paint that I'm so excited because we're gonna use that as like our grocery list. So like whenever you want anything, you just write it on the board. So then when my mom goes shopping, she just take a picture of it and then just knows what everybody wants instead of having to text us all and ask us all that. Miley's crying in the background. I'm so excited to paint this, and then we're going to the movie tonight and I'm just gonna come over. I'm pretty sure we're still supposed to be going to the farmer's market today, but she has a dentist appointment. But the one on Thursdays are really late. They start at like 4. Because I'm not gonna be able to get flowers from the guy that I usually get my flowers from because I work on Saturday, but that's besides the point. So I'm gonna eat and then enjoy me painting this over just black.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday bed.
Well, I've just finished doing the thumbnail for week 2. So we have 2 solid videos down, packed, and I'm so excited and I'm so proud of myself. But she's at a dentist appointment and then we're gonna go to the farmer's market and then our movie starts in like 3 hours, a little under 3 hours. That should be great. Hey cutie, ready to go to the movies?
Oh, hell, is the key in here?
I'm gonna take that as a yes.
No, September.
Are you excited, Mom?
Been thinking about it ever since we got the team. Slice. Ever since they first announced it.
I really need to get contacts because this is about to be a struggle. All right, so we're ganged up. You know, all the girls in this car, with the exception of the mom, but it's fine. How you feeling back there? All right. On our way to the movies. That starts in 5 minutes. Back at it, looking crusty. What's new? We're gonna go get potatoes. This is our second day in a row going to the farmer's market because there's a farmer's market on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Now we know.
Yeah, now we know. Now we know. Also, I got a freaking, sorry, little wait. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. I can get corn dogs on Thursdays because I am apparently getting 4 potatoes and a corn. So that's nice. I'm gonna treat myself to some flowers, so this battery's gonna die. We're here. The Kings. It's poppin'.
And my mom. They're not a king. That down there.
Since she just decided to go willy-nilly and start painting that, enjoy this montage of us painting our chalk wall for our gaming area. Keith just wants to hurry up and paint. Basically.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best.
Sir, calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
I'm gonna dance like that. I'm gonna do Fortnite in the dance move.
Y'all taking pictures?
No, she's doing the unboxing. You look at turn around and look. I knew you put shit in there too fast.
Milo, is this your channel? No, it's Maia's channel. You're basically making her not get that much subscribers. I don't know if people like this stuff or not. Because
Oh no! Oh,
she's drawing on the
What's that, the unboxing or what?
my fridge. He's not home. So okay.
He ain't there, and you know that.
She's writing. She's writing on the door.
Are you serious right now?
no,
Mike, go right on the wall. We have a wall right here for you to write on.
My wonderful mom got me a home warming gift because it's not a house. What would it be? An apartment warming gift? Apartment warming gift for my apartment.
Go take that goddamn bag down the stairs because I know you left it on the stairs.
We're gonna open up.
Let's
this
just hope
box.
that's what's in the box.
What do you, she doesn't even know what's in the box. So I could be opening up not even my fridge, and this will be a whole waste of footage. Excuse me, ma'am. You're drawing on the box, and we're gonna need you to just make your way over here.
You better do it quick. Back
The
up.
frame.
Do you know I saw it on another from another seller for half the price?
After you bought it?
Yes. Through Amazon.
Was it like the same? But was it like the same one?
Same brand. Back up. Don't touch it. I think I'm gonna buy one for myself.
You should. I figured you would. Mile, move!
Love your mom.
You saw this same exact one, or was it smaller?
I don't know the size.
Because there's one that's smaller than this.
Don't hold it.
That's the one that you saw in Urban Outfitters.
Whoa! It's different.
You don't even know what it is.
What is this?
It's a refrigerator.
It's a refrigerator?
Yes.
What?
For food.
She's right here. It's here. Ow.
And you better not hit her back.
Oh, there's one right there. She got me. Well, now this video is good.
Where you going?
I'm gonna get off. Wait, someone get.
Wow.
That's really little. That was cool.
It's cool.
Soon I'm gonna make a
Look,
YouTube
they have
channel. It's gonna be better than yours. We're gonna put
What'd
a
he say?
lot of
What'd he
food
say?
in there.
What did he say?
He said, "Sit over to make a YouTube channel. It's gonna be better than yours."
How you making a YouTube channel with no camera?
I'm gonna buy one. Blown over. Put the car in there.
It's my fridge.
It's your fridge.
It's my refrigerator, and then I could put, like, when I buy sheet mask, I can put them all right there.
And the car's gonna.
So do I really need one since I got a whole refrigerator in my room?
No, you don't.
But ain't it warms? That's what I kind of want it.
Well, then you wouldn't need this size
Oh,
if you
that's
get
it.
one, because there's one that's smaller than this.
Don't touch it. Why are you touching it? Why? Don't touch it.
Mario, stop! Do you want to pow pow? Stop!
What is this?
It's a refrigerator.
We just had a whole video
What
about
is
it.
that?
It's the hinges.
What is
But see, like,
You see yourself?
you
see
can't
yourself?
just like do that. You have to like click that.
FBI, open up.
Oh, that's not really gonna work with these.
What do you say? I don't know if the other ones are. Girl, sit back and relax with your nasty old cereal in your mouth. Here, try it. You don't think you can?
No.
Can I see that, Mommy?
I'm very excited about my refrigerator.
Check it out. Trash.
Put it back in the box. Put it back in the box.
She's not putting it back in the box because you said so.
You
Oh,
heard
wait.
about my dad.
Oh, it's mine.
You told them birth control is important.
It is.
I'm gonna write. I mean,
That's interesting.
Mom's the oldest, so she's in.
So you want to encourage her to write on my damn doors? I said this wall only.
Mom, I'm doing.
No. You want to write? Here you go.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course. At least we don't pull back.
Don't touch the hair.
Just kicked it.
Don't move.
Alright, can we just start the video? Because this keeps me boring.
It's not
been
for
started.
you.
It's been started. Sit down.
Mom, it's your daughter's turn. Mom, it's your daughter's turn. I
Okay.
want to show my daughter. Mom, tell my.
No one cares. No one cares about your car. No one cares
It's
about
a Hot Wheel car.
Good for you and your Hot Wheel.
It's Marquise's Hot Wheel.
Threw you off the floor?
Okay, I'm gonna do my. This is not Hot Wheel. This is not my car. This is Marquise's car. This is my.
Okay. Shh.